the original, should I say, the progenitor of Nsidung is Efiom Nsa. And Efiom Nsa had children, of which Nkeng Ewa is one of them. And the others who occupy Nsidung are offsprings of Nkeng Ewa. So Nsidung is a conglomerate of descendants of Nsa Efiom. So that's what it is. I mean, if you say Nsa Efiom had a child called Nkeng Nsa, for example, you know, Ekeng Nsa will then come and have some children, and he then starts naming them either according to his grandfather, his mother, his grandmother, you know, and things like that, you know.
So please repeat what you said before. That Ekere Ewa is a question, really.
Ekere Ewa is a question.
Are you Ewa?
Ewa.
But then in the Cuban context, it could also be a statement. You're saying, Nkere
Ewa. Nkere Ewa. But because
I represent Ewa.
Yeah, I represent Ewa. Yes. Yeah. If I ask you, Ekerewa, either you answer yes or Nkere Ewa, which means the emphasis that I am Ewa.
Okay.
That's authority.
Yes.
You're proud of it.
Yes.
You know, if you say Ekerewa, I say yes. But if I say Nkere Ewa, means that I am chip of the old block. I am the person. And you're in fact challenging, is anybody here?